Problem solving. Problem solving is the act of defining problem, determine the course or the cause or the causes of the problem, identifying, then prioritizing, and then selecting an alternative for a solution and for implementation of a solution. So problem solving is a process of finding solution to the problem faced by the persons. These can be social problems, these can be political problems, these can be personal problems, these can be problem political nature. So there are different types of problems there are, and to solve those problems we specify a special method of reflective thinking to solve those problems. Problem solving is a process of finding solution to the problem encountered in life. Mental health professionals study the human problem solving process by using methods such as active participation, introspection, behaviorism, simultaneous and computer modeling and experimentation. So these are the methods used by the mental health professional. Either they use methods of introspection or behaviorism or simulation or computer modeling, and sometimes they do the experimentation to solve the problem. Different strategies are implemented, or different type of experiment conditions are produced, and then study whether they are able to solve the problem or they are unable to solve the problem. The importance of problem solving depends. The problem solving is a mental process. जब हम प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करते हैं, mentally we will have to picture it. What is the problem? We organize the problem. We discuss mentally with ourselves the problem. The people go through to discover, analyze and solve problems. तो ये तीन चीज़ें होती हैं. First they go through to discover, identify the problem or to discover the problem, then analyze the problem and then solve problems. Before solving a problem can occur, it is important to understand and analyze the problem, its nature itself. तो उसे सॉल्व करने पहले इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि आप उस प्रॉब्लम को अंडरस्टैंड करो, उस प्रॉब्लम को एनालाइज करो, एंड देन you should attempt to solve the problem. So first thing very important in problem solving, that you must identify the problem, you must analyze the various aspects of the problem, and actually you have full understanding of that problem. And then and only then you go for solution of the problem. Otherwise you will be using only hit and trial and error method of problem solving. So there are three types of problems faced by people. Types of problem encountered in life are the either it will be simple problem, or it will be complicated problems, or it will be compound problem, or it will be complex problem, or it will be chaotic problems. Three common categories of problem include inducing structure, arranging and transformation. Methods of solving problem. There are so many methods of problem solving. but I will discuss only 3 or 4 methods. There are a number of methods and approaches to solve the problem. Out of these methods, 5 following methods are commonly used to solve the problem. These are about the issues to solve. First is the issue may be due to environmental factors. It may be a climate change, it may be conflicts, it may be inequality, it may be poverty, it may be religious conflicts, it may be government accountability and transparency. Then there can be social problem, there can be economic problem, there can be political problem, there can be individuals or the personal problems. So these are there. So we use different 3 or 4 methods for problem those. First is trial and error method. Trial and error method is just you try one solution. If it doesn't solve the problem, then take another path and again see whether it solve the problem or not. And because Kurt Lewin has given a very good problem that there is a obstacle. Here is the problem. Here is the obstacle between the problem and the solution. Now, whether a person can overcome that struggle or not. If he can overcome that obstacle, he will be able to solve the problem. And again he said that there are different parts. There are 4 part problem solving. There will be 2 equal attractive paths and to solve the problem. So there are different strategies of problem solving. One of them is which is not scientific in nature, that is the trial and error type of the strategy. दूसरा है डिफरेंशिएशन रिडक्शन कि 2 चीज़ें हैं, दोनों में डिफरेंस बहुत आएगा. एक तो बिल्कुल उसका हल नहीं है, एक उसको रिड्यूस किया जाता था कि मतलब इफ द प्रॉब्लम इज कम्प्लेक्स, तो यू डिवाइड दैट कम्प्लेक्स प्रॉब्लम इनटू सब कंसेप्ट, सब प्रॉब्लम्स, and then solve each sub problem separately, and in this way the whole complex problem will be also solved. So this is another way to reduce the difference between the problem and the problem solution. Sometimes if you try a problem which is a very what we can say a very complex, very puzzling, तो प्रॉब्लम होती है जो एक पजलिंग है जिसका आपको पता नहीं चलता. समटाइम्स वो इफ somebody asks you what is the problem, so you can simply say I don't know what is the, I have a problem but I do not know the problem, I cannot define the problem, or I cannot express in words what is the problem, but problem is there. तो such type complex problem भी हैं. That may be due to mental sickness, that may be due to frustration, that may be due to so many stress and strains on you. Those who people commit suicide, they are unable to express their problem. They don't even try to that problem. They think that the obstacle is so much, or the loan on me is so much, so I cannot pay, therefore they go for suicide. So this thing is there also, how you are strong in your thought, how you try to solve the problem. Sometimes you do not try to solve the problem. You take it that the problem is so much that it cannot be solved, therefore you act for other things. तो सेकंड मेथड में आपको बताया कि रिडक्शन करो डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन द प्रॉब्लम एंड द सोल्यूशन, reduce the distance between the two by by analyzing the complex problem into simpler problems, and then go on solving simpler problems, and ultimately their complex or compound problem will be solved. And the third method, which is very important, which is mostly used, is means and analysis. अब मीन जो हैं, जो मेथड्स हैं, जो मीन्स हैं, उसको सॉल्व करने के, और जो एंड एनालिसिस है, मीन एंड एनालिसिस के हिसाब से भी आप प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. तो ये दिस मेथड कैन आल्सो बी यूज मीन एंड एनालिसिस to solve the problem. Or you can have the method given by Lewin, कुट लिवन दिया हुआ है, उसने भी दिया है एक मेथड. एक ऐसे ही एक मेथड है जो जिसको हम साइंटिफिक मेथड ऑफ सॉल्विंग प्रॉब्लम कहते हैं. समटाइम्स यू हैव ए प्रॉब्लम एंड यू डू नॉट हैव ए immediate solution to that problem. So what do? You put that problem in your subconscious mind. Consciously you are unable to solve that problem. That goes into your unconscious mind. We call it goes to the incubation. एक incubation ऐसा होता है जहाँ पे कोई चीज़ पकती रहती है. तो first step is put the problem which is unsolved in the incubation. And then when it is there in your unconscious or in incubation, sometimes you get some lightning, and through that lightning you come to solve the problem. So, for example, how Kekulé solved the problem of ring structure in organic compounds, aromatic compounds. So, what he could not. There are so many theories how these 6 carbons share their electrons, or what is type of relationship between sharing between these 6 electrons in the outermost cell. So everybody was trying, so many scientists were trying to answer those things. So one day what happened, the Kekulé got a dream that there is a snake, and snake is having his tail in his mouth. So he got the idea, the ring structure, and that worked. So that was, he got the illumination. Similarly, Archimedes got the illumination to find whether this मुक्त जो है is a pure gold or it has something mixed with the gold, copper or something else is mixed. तो बादशाह ने कहा था कि either you will solve the problem or you will be guillotine, आपको मार दिया जाएगा अगर आप नहीं करोगे. तो वैसे ही होते थे जो रॉयल फैमिली के साथ जुड़े होते थे, जो उनके कवि होते थे, जो उनके साइंटिस्ट होते थे, जो उनके दरबारी होते थे, तो उन पे ऐसे ही बिहेव करते थे वो. तो ही वॉज वेरी मच वरीड. तो because he was disturbed and worried, and the time was very small, and then he was seeing that the days are closed, and I will be crucified, I will be killed. So in that day, on one hot summer, he wanted to go for a bath. Then he jumped into the tank and he came up. So he got the solution that there is when a thing is thrown in water and it replaces that amount of water. So in this way, he solved the problem of whether the mukt is made of pure gold or not, and he give the term of density or specific gravity. So this is the way of how people solve the problems. Mostly जो problem है, either they belong to environment, जैसे environment की कैसे problem है, over ओवर कंजम्पशन हो सकती है, ओवर पॉपुलेशन हो सकती है, बायोडाइवर्सिटी हो सकती है, डिफॉरेस्टेशन हो सकती है, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग हो सकती है. तो these are the problem which scientists solve by using scientific method of problem solving. So that's all problem solving.